Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to integrate Asana with Google Drive, a process that will streamline your work and enhance productivity. Step 1 is to open Asana. You'll need to be logged into your Asana account. This is crucial because Asana is where the integration process begins. Next up, let's navigate to the project you'd like to integrate with Google Drive. By doing this, you're specifying where you want the Google Drive files to appear in Asana. This is important because it will save you from sifting through all your projects to find the right files. Now that we've done that, look at the top of your Asana dashboard. You'll see a button named Plus Add Task. Click on it. Why do we do this? Well, each Google Drive file will be attached to a task in Asana. This is why we need to create a task first. Once the task is created, you'll find an option called Attachments. Click on it and select Google Drive from the drop-down menu. This helps us because it's how Asana knows you want to attach a file from Google Drive. After you've selected Google Drive, a new window will pop up. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is communicating with Google Drive to fetch your files. You'll need to select the file you want to attach and click Choose. The reason we do this is to specify which Google Drive file to attach to the task in Asana. And that's how you integrate Asana with Google Drive. Now, all the files you need for a project are right there in the assigned Asana task. No more switching between tabs or losing time searching for the right documents. It's all about making your workflow more efficient. Thank you for joining us today. Keep tuning in for more tips on how to streamline your productivity.